Remove the screw on the side of the cartridge. Compatible cartridges made in China may be slightly different. Release the pin. Remove the side panel. Remove the toner roller. Clean out all the remaining toner. It's better to use compressed air. Getting all the old toner out is very important. The toner left in the cartridge is mostly waste toner, and if you have two different type of toners in the cartridge at the same time, the quality will be compromised. Don't breathe the toner dust. Gently clean the toner roller with a soft cloth. The toner roller carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. The toner is held on the magnetic roller sleeve by a stationary magnet inside the sleeve. It's not necessary to remove the toner roller blade. Using a cotton swab, clean the edge of the toner roller blade so there is no evidence of buildup along the edge. If any buildup exists, the cartridge will streak. The doctor blade controls the amount of toner on the magnetic roller. Note that these metal blades are easily bent or warped. Be careful not to damage this mylar blade. If this blade is bent in any way, the cartridge will leak. Clean and inspect the felt seals. If they are compressed, roughen them up with a small screwdriver. There is no fill hole in these cartridges, so it must be filled through the toner roller slot. Fill the cartridge with 80 grams of toner. It's possible to install a seal, however, if you use the cartridge in your printer, it's not necessary. Reinstall the toner roller. The magnet of the toner roller is keyed, you have to insert it in its slot. Reinstall the side panel with the screw. Turn the toner roller by hand several times to make sure it's correctly installed and there are no spots on the surface. You can clean the roller with a soft cloth. This cartridge has a chip. The cartridge will work with the used chip, but the toner low function is disabled, and sometime, an error message must be cleared. For any problem with the cartridge, in the description of this video you'll find a link to a troubleshooting guide.